Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to change date of birth on Revolut. So guys, this is a step-by-step guide. So just simply follow the steps that I'm going to show you on the screen. So first thing that you will do is simply open up the Revolut application into your device. And after that, just simply tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. And once you have done that, you should be able to see there a tab, which is account. So just simply select account. And after that, it will redirect you to another page. And from there, you should be able to see their personal details. So just simply tap on personal details. And after that, guys, Revolut doesn't let us record what's inside the account details, but I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide. So from here, just simply select your birth of a date, and from there, once you tap on that, just simply tap on again birth of date, and after that you should be able to edit it. And once you are done, you can just simply tap on done at the bottom. You should be able to see there a button, and that's simply about it. You should be able to change it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.